Hey guys, back here with the boat again. So I was out fishing last time and downrigger wasn't working. Couldn't figure out why. Rewired all the wires to the plug and everything. Still not working, so I finally figured it out. It was the magnet switch. So if I touch these two wires together, it'll work. There's a magnet in here that when you push the button, causes it to activate. So we're gonna go about learning together about how to replace this switch. Went and got a new switch down at my local Harbor Chandler. There's a new switch on there. Yeah. Let's see if that works, along with some good secrets. That's all you get. That's all you get. Deadly combos in here, let me tell you. It looks like our first step is to cut the wire, or the zap strap that holds this wire on. The factory zap strap. That is now down. Okay. Now let's move these 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 Phillips. Yeah. Have a tray with you, people. There's a few screws here. Really nothing to it. Ooh. Got a waterproof gasket in there. Pretty simple stuff. Pretty simple stuff. So we got some relay. That wire curves around, goes to a relay, goes to that switch, that comes out. Okay. Pretty simple. Now, how do I know which one's which? All right. So the one with the writing on the wire goes to this relay. The other one goes to your positive up here. The power comes from. Okay. I can do this. Simple. Feed your new little guy on your wires. Right? It's gonna plug in up there. Well, with the wire writing on it, just what wire? Let's roll that around so we can see it. So I think instead of crimping another one of these connections on, well, maybe. Get that sucker off of there. Maybe. Might just splice onto it. Right? Cut this wire, splice onto it. All right, we built the same on each. Use these. Let's see if that won't work. There we go. This is how I do my wires real quick. Stripped. When you twist them together, like that, right? That one. Take a little torch off this one. Give yourself like an inch of wire. Then you lay them across from each other like so. And just start your wrap. if you twist your wires like this, they're easy to tape up. What I like to use is hot glue. It's not going to come apart, and it's waterproof. It's worked flawlessly on my trailer lights. All the wires, they haven't corroded all summer. So we got one, we got two. Let's plug this thing back into where it's supposed to be. It's up there somewhere. Can't remember how it ran. Good thing I got two. Double check the other side. Alright, I see where she goes. Rotate her around so you can see. That screw right there. Right there. That one right there. It's the only one you got to remove to install this button. It's a mag pickup switch. Really quick, comes off like that. That's what you get. Oh, that's what you get off. Right? That's gonna slide up in there. One of those holes. That one. Put your cup back on. Put your screw back in. All right, time for a drum roll. Let's let out some line here. And, and, it's so easy. Gotta love Scotty, you know. So nice. That was a nice fix. Thanks, Scotty. Thanks for making that easy for me. All right, guys. You got a dead switch in your downrigger. That's how you fix it. You don't gotta take it to a shop. That's cheap, easy. Come on, anyone can do that. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Keep helping you guys out. Put it back. Last time I was out as well, lost a cannonball. Lost my clip. So I had a 15-pound cannonball hanging on that guy. It worked, but we're gonna be putting the proper one back on there because it's a little sketchy on, you know, $70 cannonball. And another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these hooks. I'm gonna make a commercial rig. That with a swivel on these flash flies. Gonna take them to the next level. Look at those. That's gonna hook up. They already come pre-barbed. So I'll do a little video of how I'm gonna rig that one up. Gonna switch this out. You don't need to see that. All right, guys, so here's how I rig mine. Take that double barb setup, cut that off, and you go for a commercial setup. Like so. Much larger hook. You got your swivel. And if you're going for salmon, with a certain flasher I was turned on to, and it works pretty insane. Not gonna tell you which one it is, but that's a slayer. You have no idea. Wait till you try it, guys. Wait till you try it.